There we go. So I've just stopped that at 22 frames. So we got about 50 in total. Okay. But yeah, I'm sure the grid's looking much better now. To be honest, I think that's mostly just the color. So, you know, I'm sure a lot of this was in the previous sim, but you just couldn't see it. But also now we got some nice shapes coming from there. You know, once the helicopter passes, you know, we got some nice swirls. But yeah, it's looking good. Cool. So let's take a look at caching this out. So let's drop another geometry node. Okay, let's call this volume cache, because we'll be doing a few in here, I believe. So, so here we're on DOP import fields, and the DOP network is going to be the tail smoke. Okay, and the DOP node will be the. We go into tail smoke and find the smoke object. And then the fields to import will be just density. Okay, vel as well for velocity. For the velocity blur, we use the vel, and we'll set this to invisible. We don't want to see that. Okay, and then okay, so we'll need to cache that. So file cache. Okay, we don't need the the first 25 frames. We need to simulate them to actually get it, but we're not going to render that. So we'll just go from 0 to 100, or from 1 to 100. So delete channels 1, delete channels there. Set this to 100. Okay, and so my hip is fine. I'll set this to a sim folder. Call this tail smoke. Let's do version 1 / same thing again, tail smoke version 1 $f3 for the frame padding, and then geo for the file type. So that looks fine. All good. Okay, just double check that everything's turned on. Got 4 substeps there. Got everything working there. And my smoke source. That looks all fine. Okay, so we'll go ahead and cache that out. It might take a while, so you know this could be kind of an overnight thing. Again, keep an eye on it. If it's taking a really long time for you, you can maybe change the resolution on this. Okay, but yeah, there we go.